Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And this is a question that I get asked quite a bit. Um, do I use the sine rule or the cosine rule when dealing with a problem? Which one do I use? Well, my unhelpful answer is that it depends. Now, a more specific answer would be what you see written here. The information you have answers your question. So, what does that mean? Well, let's say that we had a non-right angle triangle drawn like that, and we had the various sides. Let's just say that they are that, and we wanted to know this angle here. Well, that's a job for the cosine rule. And the reason for that is that if you have a look at the cosine rule, there is a formula, one of the many formulas, there are 6 of them, that tells you that you can find the cosine of this angle by using the values of these 3 sides. So that's a definite for the cosine rule. My default setting is to see if the sine rule will work. And for the sine rule to work, you need an angle. So say you're looking for an angle, you're looking for this angle, but you know this one, let's say that that's 50 degrees. You need this side, so if this is A, this is little a. So you need these two, and you need this and a value here, let's say 7. Okay, so this is sufficient for you to be able to work out this angle. And I would go straight to the sine rule, because there isn't probably enough information here for you to use the cosine rule. So this is what I mean when I say the information that you have answers your question. What you should do is you should look at the question, draw the triangle if necessary, and as you do with any formula, ask yourself, what information do I have? What do I need to find? Now, there are various permutations of these that I could go through, but in order to keep this from being overly confusing and from being longer than it needs to be, the answer is that it depends on the information that you get given. And if you can see a way to use the sine rule, use it. If you can see a way to use the cosine rule and you're more comfortable with that, use it. There will be an overlap. You will be able to, let's just say for argument's sake, that you were after this angle here. Well, if you knew this angle and this side, you're more than welcome to use the cosine rule, but you could also use the sine rule. So there is an overlap. Without prolonging this any further and repeating myself too much, I start with the sine rule, see if I can get that to work. If I can't get that to work, I go to the cosine rule. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.